you tired of wearing wigs that tangle up and have no longevity? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to put you on to this new wig bender. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you about an HD wig that looks natural, but I wasn't ready to take my braids out yet. These braids have been in 3 weeks already, so I'm just going to put the wig on top of the braids. So before I get into showing you the wig, let me give you the information of where I get the wig from, or actually where you can get the wig from. It's from tttwigs.com, and the hair that I'm going to be using, or the hair on the wig, is Vietnamese hair. And for those of you who don't know about Vietnamese hair, it's silky straight. It doesn't really tangle. Unlike Brazilian hair, it doesn't have a lot of those short hairs in there. So it makes the hair look fuller versus when you have a lot of those short hairs in Brazilian hair, it makes the hair look thin on the ends, but this is like full all the way through. So this is only 2 bundles in here with the HD closure, and you can see how full it looks. Here's what the inside of the wig looks. This one doesn't have the comb put on it yet, but when you get yours, the comb will be put on there on the sides. And there are 2 combs on the side, 1 on the back. This is the adjustable strap that comes on it. Some people, if it's perfect, you can pull it to make it tighter. You can pull it loose, so if you don't want to use it, pin it off to the side. Or, as I said, you can adjust it, make it tighter. Also, the hair comes jet black like this. The knots are already bleached and it comes already styled. There's a middle part that's already put on the wig. If you want to adjust it, you can adjust it or change the part. But the thing about this cap, well, this cap is a small. It's not really for my head size. I normally wear a medium. So small is available for those who can't fit a medium and you have a smaller head. And look at how natural the hairline looks. It's already pre-plucked. This is a HD 5x5. So once you cut off this lace, you won't even be able to see it. You probably won't even have to really tint it if you didn't want to. It's just lace so natural, and the lace is so thin that you can't even hardly see it. So right now I'm just playing with the curls to get them to form and how I want it styled. But as far as the specs on this wig, this is the 16-inch Vietnamese straight hair. It's already jet black. It has HD lace on it. Baby hairs are available already cut and pre-styled. You can fix that however you want. The density of this wig is 200%. It has adjustable straps, combs, knots come bleach. I mean, what more can you ask for? So you can pretty much curl this again how you want. As you see with me combing the curls out, is staying. So with it being straight hair, it still holds curls. And once again, as you can see, the hairline and how natural it looks and how flawless the lace lays up against your skin, and it's not even cut yet. And the thing about this cap is you can adjust it to side parts. So unlike the regular wigs that are made, they come with that little strap that comes around your ear. So if you try to adjust it like a regular wig, if you try to turn it to the side, it can't make a sad part. But with this cap, you can make the part as deep as you want without it looking like the wig, or without the wig feeling like it doesn't go that way. And look at this. You could barely even see the lace, and I haven't even cut it yet. So I'm just going to show you, even on the other side, it can be shifted still. Now, of course, you have to fix the curls a little in the front, but it still can be parted. With it being a closure, it can be parted to go on either side. Once again, I just want to show you how full it is for it to only be 2 bundles. It's still, like, most people think that I have 3 bundles in my head. So I'm not even trying to hype this hair up. I have worn hair, and I know that some hair, when you wash it, it mats up, or you go outside and the back tangles up on you. Well, this doesn't do that. If you want hair that you don't have to do anything to, and people will be asking you if it's yours or not, then you need to go purchase this. Everything is in the description box. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.